Hi all, good afternoon. Hope you are doing fine trading. Just a second. So let's see what is happening. Nifty, not able to cross this level, this green level, but that is expected because this is a big level. So time along with that. So market is spending the time there. I think there are sellers coming in, but market is not gonna go in their direction. So we are still into the positive territory. Um, So Nifty kind of a thing. Bank Nifty very sideways again. If you see the volumes also on the Bank Nifty not supporting, so very sideways. HDFC Bank, HDFC all sideways. SBI as well. So banking space today gonna be sideways. L&T also kind of a sideways movement. Mm. Reliance, we got a good move above 24010 to 2420, so 2025 point move. We were discussing this in the morning. Bajaj Finance, weird pattern, very small range trade. I think this is a result impact, so that way. Tata Motors also not bullish or something, but Kotak Bank are day and star of the thing. We were discussing it in the morning video also. I discussed that we have initiated long positions around this level and carrying our what you can say trade, positional trade based on the concept of single print. When and then if you remember, if you have seen my videos, this was a very important level for Kotak Bank, and it took support for, let's say, 1 2 3 4 5 6 times on this level. And now when it was broken, it came to test the support, and next day it just opened into that. And here we got a confirmation that there is a bullish move into it, and I think we are getting the what you can say fruits out of it. So kind of a good trade, positional trade on the Kotak Bank. And also you see, the volumes are also supporting, so everything was in line. So what you can see is a picture perfect trade. In a volatile market, very less times you get such a trades, but yeah, this is kind of a picture perfect trades we got into. Axis Bank, I think results impact, so no, not gonna discuss today. We'll see, what we need to do. But I think Nifty again in a bullish position. Our view, if you remember, that we discussed that in our yesterday's call, that this would be the level, the resistance for Nifty. Exactly, we are stopped at this point, and I think a bullish close to the month, which was also our yesterday's title on Nifty. And so we are in a good shape, good position for the you know for the monthly closing. So I think we might see some short covering at the end of the day. But yeah, I think this level is very important, and here market is spending time, so which is the important part. So market is respecting each and every level. HDFC Bank, I think from the results, it is not showing any movements. It's all sideways from many days. Mm. HDFC, tried to break the SP, but came back and took a support. So I think it's a Friday. Everybody is, into the vacation mode. Also, yesterday's expiry was kind of nice, so it was a good trade today. Only thing is the trades that we have was a Reliance in the morning. We were into Kotak Bank. We were into, and Kotak Bank is our anyways, kind of a positional trade. Now I'll tell you what to do here. So this, if you spot it now, so this is the area which will act as a single print, for the Kotak Bank, if price close above, and this would be an area also where we have a single print support. So this would be our single print support. So our positional trades, the stop loss would go around 1915 level, you know um, into the markets. So let's see how it goes. But yeah, I think good trade running in, and we want to go with the trend, so not against the trend. So I think we are kind of a good here. Nifty also going up, Bank Nifty also. But yeah, kind of a choppy day as it was a Friday. SP never came, never tested, so market was in a bullish territory. Bank Nifty, if you see here, and at this level, we see a strong white candle. So this should act as a support in the next sessions for the Bank Nifty. So guys, that's it for now. I think it's all Friday mood on into the markets. I think this is getting a breakout. If it breaks out, maybe we can see a good movement into this stock. But for now, at least on the charts, small caps and mid caps are looking kind of a very good for investment. And one of the stock that I am looking at is the REC. No recommendations, but for my point of view, REC and PFC both are doing good from a short term viewpoint of view. No recommendation again. I don't like to give a recommendations, but yeah, PFC, REC, kind of a good, doing good. So if I show you my list of charts that I track, I think here I see it. PFC kind of a good breakout. REC also very nice breakout, for REC, PFC. AB Capital also nice breakout. So all the stocks, giving a good breakout this for the next months. So I think overall small caps are seeing good, what I can say. And now, if you ask me, one more stock that I am looking at is the Ashok Leyland. It's a good for the good. Good. I'm not giving you any trade recommendations. It's all for educational purpose. Please do not take any trade or investment decision based on the view shared. And if you have seen my earlier videos, I just show you what I am trying to tell you. From the last 2 weeks itself, you know, anyways, I don't want to show that I know many things, but what I'm trying to tell you is from last 2 weeks, or on the markets, and that's why we had created multiple bullish entries in certain direction. You have to make a trade, in that direction. So it's like that. So never like, we are not dependent on one trade only taking a new options trade or something. So we trade in all the possible things, and we maintain our view, and accordingly we take a call